What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. I have here the newest release from Sebastian of Borka Blades, the SBDP. You've seen a collab between him and Marfione Custom Knives with these at the ICE show. This is the SBDP folder, M390 steel, Borka grind on the blades. He's got a couple of options here. We've got these three available. Anodizing on the back spacer of this one, and then the Borka crest on this handle. So all of them in satin M390 finish, titanium handles, blasted. Some of them, this one in particular is barked. This one is stonewash. EKNIVES.com guys, 3-inch blades on these. Great size. These are going to be super popular. SBDP from Borka Blades, EKNIVES.com, 423-525-9477.